The unique benefits of owning an above-ground pool. Owning a pool is a dream come true for many homeowners, but costly installations and ongoing maintenance can make it seem out of reach. An above-ground pool offers a smart, practical, and affordable solution. Here are 3 unique benefits of owning an above-ground pool. The cost is truly within reach. Compared to in-ground pools, above-ground models require far less in terms of initial investment in construction, materials, and prepping your space. Plus, because it's affordable, you have more opportunity to splurge on outdoor space, like furniture, patio accessories, and landscaping without breaking the budget. Complete flexibility with placement. Unlike traditional in-ground swimming pools that must be designed in a certain area in the yard, above-ground models can be installed almost anywhere. Now, whether you have a small backyard or plenty of space, there are many different shapes and sizes of above-ground pools to suit your needs. Easy maintenance. Above-ground swimming pools require significantly less maintenance because they are smaller and more compact. Plus, if you decide to add a heater or modernize the filtration system, you can do it easily without having to deal with major construction. So go ahead, take a swim. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To learn more about the benefits of owning an above-ground swimming pool, just give us a call or visit our website at www.apollopoolsandspas.com.